So moving on, we are using emerald green plus black to give a little darker area in this semicircle over here, leaving the rim lighter. If by mistake you color the rim dark, you can use a grey color to make the rim lighter like this. So it's basically white that I use from the watercolor cakes to give a lighter rim, but not very stark white from the bottle. And now I made this stark white line just beside the blue, and the blue I just went over with ultramarine a little bit to give a little darker shade. Basically giving finishing touches to all our marbles, and I took emerald green over here and gave this band. And white to give the rim. So when I use a cake color white, it does not turn out to be very opaque and dark white, and that is why I'm using the watercolor cake white here, because I don't want it to look very white. I want it to look a transparent white showing my under color.